Here's part 3 of the go-kart build. I got the steering done. Got a muffler on the exhaust, makes it sound nice. Got the chain hooked up. And I took it for a test ride, and it's geared high, really high. But it goes okay. I'm gonna get a torque converter for it. I am saving up. They're about $200 and I got 135 so far. And let's take a close-up look on this. I mounted a cushion off like a seat for the seat, and like a backrest off a road bike, not sure what one. That is not mounted on there yet, and I will find a way. Here's the 1980s aftermarket steering wheel I had in my previous videos. I hooked it up there. Got 3 bolts, bolting that to a little plate here, mounted to a rod right here with a bar going down, bolted to right here. It's nice and firm. There's a hole in there because I was going to make a steering rod going through there and going down there, but that didn't work out. I have a bar there, so when I turn the steering wheel, it turns the wheels. It turns farther. Wait, that's it. There we go. That's the steering. It worked pretty good. The only weld on here is the one with that little plate connecting to the steering bar column thing. The 6.5 horsepower PowerFist Honda clone I got. $110 Canadian, tax included. I work on it at Courtney Motorsports in Canada, Vancouver Island, BC. With this custom exhaust on here that me and my dad made, it almost sounds like a Briggs. Like, it sounds real nice. We'll start it up later. Got the chain connected. It is an 11 tooth to a 35 tooth gear ratio. The tires are 12 inches wide, or well, in diameter, like they're there. Chain tensioner, you know, that'll wear down quickly, but who cares? We got a clutch on there I bought for $42. I'm gonna replace that with a torque converter. Then it should go a lot better. There are only 3 things that I need to do in order to get this finished, and hopefully my next video everything will be finished, which are mount the seat on there, brakes, and a throttle. It's gonna have a handbrake. I got a GX 160 old piston I got. That'll look nice, rat rod-ish. I'll use that for a handle. And I'm gonna use like a thumb throttle on the steering wheel, since like obviously you can't really put pedals on that. And that's kind of the point, because like I'll get like a quad thumb throttle or something and mount that to there. Let's take one more look of it outside, and let's have a cold start video, since I haven't started this up for a while. Where can I put the camera? I'll put it on my dad's truck. Yeah, I think you can see it. There you go. I'm guessing it'll be the first pull. Thanks for watching.